Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am your teacher, Avery.
And hello, I am Mike. I am a student just like you.
How are you today, Mike?
I am doing well, Avery, but I am a little nervous about today's topic.
Nervous? Why are you nervous, Mike?
Because today we are talking about money. Talking about money is hard.
You are right. Today, our topic is negotiating salary. It is a big topic, but do not worry. We will go very slowly. We will use simple words.
That is good news. So, Avery, what does negotiating salary mean?
Good question. Let's look at the words. Salary is the money you get from your job. Usually, we talk about salary for 1 year. For example, $50,000 a year.
Okay, salary is the money from my job, and what is negotiating?
To negotiate means to talk to reach an agreement. You want more money. The boss wants to pay less money. You talk together. You find a number in the middle. That is negotiating.
Ah, I understand. So negotiating salary means asking for more money before I take the job.
Exactly. It is very important. Many people are scared to ask, but if you ask, you can get more money.
Okay, I am ready to learn. Where do we start?
We start with the job offer. Imagine this, Mike. You have a job interview. It goes very well. Then the company calls you. They say, Mike, we want you to work here.
That's great. I'm happy.
Yes, you are happy. They say, the salary is $40,000. But Mike, you want $45,000. What do you say?
I say, no, give me more.
Oh no, Mike, that is too strong. That is not polite. We must be polite and professional.
Okay, not polite. So what do I say first?
First, you say thank you. Always say thank you. You can say thank you for the offer.
That is easy. Thank you for the offer.
Perfect. Let's practice that with our listeners. Listen and repeat. Thank you for the offer. Thank you for the offer.
Okay, I said thank you. Now can I ask for money?
Not yet. You need to show that you are happy. You can say, I'm very excited about this job.
I am very excited about this job.
Good. Now we ask the big question. We want to know if we can change the number. We use the word negotiable.
Negotiable. That is a long word. Negotiable.
Yes, negotiable means can we change it or is it flexible? So you ask, is the salary negotiable?
Is the salary negotiable?
Yes, this is a very polite question. It asks permission to talk about money. Let's practice this together. Listeners, please repeat. Is the salary negotiable? Is the salary negotiable?
Avery, what if I forget the word negotiable? Is there another way to say it?
Yes, you can use the word flexible. Flexible means it can bend or change. You can say, is this number flexible?
Is this number flexible? That is easier to say.
It is. Both are very good. So, Mike, let's try a small role play. I am the boss, you are Mike, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Ring ring. Hello, Mike. We want to give you the job. The salary is $40,000.
Thank you for the offer. I'm very excited about this job. Is the salary negotiable?
Very good, Mike. You sounded very professional.
Thank you. It felt scary, but I did it.
Now, imagine the boss says, yes, it is negotiable. What salary are you looking for?
Oh no, now I have to say a number.
Yes, this is the next step, stating your number. Do not just say $45,000. It's too short. We want to use a soft phrase. We use I was hoping for.
I was hoping for.
Yes, hope is a nice word. It is not a demand, it is a wish. I was hoping for $45,000.
I was hoping for $45,000.
Listeners, let's practice this phrase. It is very useful. I was hoping for. I was hoping for.
Avery, can I give a range, like 2 numbers?
That is a great idea, Mike. A range is 2 numbers, a low number and a high number. You can say, I was looking for a salary between $45,000 and $50,000.
Between $45,000 and $50,000. That sounds flexible.
It is. It shows you are reasonable. But Mike, you can't just ask for money. You need a reason. Why should I pay you more?
Because I want to buy a new car?
No, Mike, not a personal reason, a professional reason. We talk about experience and skills.
Ah, experience, like how many years I worked before.
Correct. And skills, what you can do. For example, based on my experience, I was hoping for $45,000.
I see. I connect the money to my work. Based on my experience.
Yes, let's look at that phrase. Based on means because of. Based on my skills, based on my experience.
Okay, let me try. Based on my 3 years of experience, I was hoping for $45,000.
That is perfect, Mike. That is a very strong sentence. It is polite, clear, and has a reason.
Listeners, this is a long sentence. Let's break it down. Repeat after Avery.
Good idea. Let's go slow. Based on my experience, I was hoping for $45,000. Now put it together. Based on my experience, I was hoping for $45,000.
Great job, everyone. I feel more confident now.
You should. Now, there is one more important thing. Sometimes you need time. You do not have to say yes or no immediately on the phone.
I can wait?
Yes, it is good to wait. It is good to think. You can ask for time. You can say, can I have some time to think about it?
Can I have some time to think about it?
Yes, or shorter, can I think about it?
Can I think about it? That is good. If I am nervous, I can stop talking and think.
Exactly. You can say, can I reply to you tomorrow?
That removes the pressure. I like that.
Okay, Mike, let's do a big practice. We will put everything together, the greeting, the question, the reason, and the number.
This is the big test. I will try my best.
I'm the boss. Ring, ring. Hello. We want to offer you the job. The salary is $40,000.
Thank you for the offer. I'm very excited about this job. However, based on my experience, I was hoping for a salary between $45,000 and $50,000. Is the salary negotiable?
Wow, Mike, that was amazing.
Really? It was okay?
It was perfect. You were polite, you gave a range, you gave a reason. If I'm the boss, I will listen to you.
That makes me happy.
Now, listeners, I want you to try. I will be the boss. I will speak to you. Then there will be silence. You say Mike's lines in the silence. Are you ready?
Go for it, listeners. You can do it.
Ring, ring. Hello. We want to offer you the job. The salary is $40,000. Did you say it? Did you say, is the salary negotiable? Good job. Avery, what if the boss says no? What if they say, no, $40,000 is the final number?
That happens. If they say no, do not be angry. You can still accept the job. Or you can say no to the job.
How do I accept?
You simply say, I accept the offer. When do I start?
I accept the offer. Simple. And if the salary is too low and you do not want the job?
How do I say no politely?
You say, thank you, but I cannot accept at this time.
I cannot accept at this time. That is very polite.
Yes, never close the door completely. Maybe they will call you later with more money.
That would be nice.
Okay, Mike, we learned a lot today. Let's do a quick review. I will say the situation, you say the phrase. Ready, Mike?
I am ready. Let's review.
Situation 1. You just got the phone call. You are happy.
Thank you for the offer.
Situation 2. You want to know if you can change the money.
Is the salary negotiable? Or is this number flexible?
Situation 3. You want to ask for $50,000 politely.
I was hoping for $50,000.
Situation 4. You want to give a reason why you deserve more.
Based on my experience or based on my skills.
Situation 5. You need time to decide.
Can I think about it?
Excellent work, Mike. You remembered everything.
Thanks, Avery. This lesson was very helpful. I feel less scared of the word negotiate.
Negotiating is a skill, like playing tennis or cooking. You must practice.
I will practice in the mirror tonight. Is the salary negotiable? Is the salary negotiable?
That's the spirit. To our listeners, thank you for listening to Daily English Lines.
Don't forget to practice these lines. You can use them in your next job interview.
If you like this podcast, please share it with your friends. Learning English is better together.
Yes, see you next time.
Goodbye and good luck with your negotiations.
Bye.